Hello everyone, how are you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the TuneKit iPhone Unlocker. Yes, this is not a similar software that I have reviewed earlier because this is a bit more superior than that. You see how just right after a video, right after a tutorial video, I come up with a new one explaining how this one is better than earlier. That's why you should keep on subscribing to Tech Hype, because I just keep on bringing up the best software in the market for you guys and for your iPhone to fix your problems. Now in this video we are going to talk about TuneKit iPhone Unlocker. This is not your ordinary unlocker app because this is a bit more better than that. There is a better UI. Exactly. All the things that we were suffering earlier from all these softwares was that the UI of those softwares were a bit complicated and it was not as user friendly as it should be. Whereas in this video, TuneKit iPhone Unlocker, what we are going to talk about is a really solid software for your iPhone. Trust me, your iPhone gonna love this software and you gonna love it even more. My name is Jay and you are watching Tech Hype. Let's get right into today's video without wasting any more time. Be sure to subscribe to this channel if you're new here. And yes, let's dive into this video. So TuneKit iPhone Unlocker is a really amazing and surprisingly cheap software. Yeah, exactly. I am talking about that it is cheap. It is a really cheap software because the value it provides, like the dollar to value ratio that it provides, is just amazing. Number one thing, as you can see on the UI itself, it is so self-explanatory, but let me just dive into it and talk more about it. Number one thing, unlock your Apple ID. This is one of the biggest things that a lot of people face. Like recently I got a call from my cousin. He bought an iPhone and he bought that iPhone from his friend, and his friend actually forgot the password of his Apple ID and he was not able to unlock it. He used the same software to unlock his device, and this is a coincidence that they also were kind enough to sponsor this video. But I'm talking about a true case. I'm not making it up. My brother actually, one of my cousin actually called me and he did use the exact same software to unlock his iPhone. So this is a personal experience that this actually works and is not a scam at all. In order to use the software, you have to connect your lightning cable to your MacBook or your Windows laptop, and then you have to trust your device and put in your passcode. Wait a minute, before doing this, let me just remind you guys, if you're on Mac, what you have to do is you have to go in the settings and then go into privacy, and then you will see this prompt will occur on your Mac, and you have to click on open anyways, and then only you will be able to open this app, because I tried it earlier and I was not able to open this app because Apple is just focusing more on privacy, and downloading things from outsource is a thing that Apple do not really like a lot. But at the end of the day, it is not possible for every software developer to develop an app that is available on App Store. And at the end of the day, come on, I'm pretty sure not all apps that you use on your Mac is from App Store. Come on, just be honest. Now, a lot of you guys actually face this issue. If your organization has given you your iPhone, there is something called MDM, mobile device management, which means that some features are limited and management has locked those features from your device. And there is a good way. This software can help you remove that MDM. What you have to do is just click on start, and after clicking on start, as you can see, you have to follow these steps. You have to turn off find my iPhone and enter your Apple ID passcode, and that's pretty much it. After doing that, you are good to go and you will be able to turn off the MDM. It is that simple. Trust me, it is a really great software and it is a really fun to use software. Alright, so after connecting your device to the software, what you have to do is just simply click on one of these toggles. What you have to do, like if you want to unlock your screen time passcode, just click here, click on start, and then you have just this steps. You can just follow these. You have to click, you have to go in settings, you have to turn off Find My, and that's pretty much it. You have to click on Find My iPhone, you have to turn it off, put in your Apple ID passcode, and that's it. You will be able to unlock your screen time passcode. Then if you want to disable the Apple ID, like unlock Apple ID from your device, you have to click on start. Then it will show that you have to unlock your device. Then you have to confirm two-step verification is enabled or not, and that's pretty much it. You have to just go here, you have to click please confirm and set up screen lock. Click on yes, then click on yes, and that's pretty much it. You will be able to unlock your Apple ID on your device. This is that simple. Then it will download this software. As you can see here, it has seen that my iPhone is iPhone 12, then I am on 16.2 version, and everything it has identified. I just have to click on download, and that's it. My iPhone will be good to go, and I will be able to use my iPhone normally without having that Apple ID prompt on my device. Alright, so when I said in the start that it is a really cheap software, I really meant it, because you can see it is just $39.95 for 1 year license, and 1 month is $24.95, and that is not worth it. Trust me, just get the $40 one, $39.95 one. It is really worth it. And guess what, your guy has actually managed to get some discount for you guys. Yes, I mean it. There is a great discount for you guys. Just go ahead, and if you want to buy any of this service, you can just click on buy now. For example, lifetime service I want to buy, I can just click here to get extra 30% off, and that is really great deal. Like 30% off from this is such a good deal. Like 30% off on already such a cheap product is a really great deal, and it is a steal. You have to just go ahead, link is in the description. Just get this software right now. It is really useful. It will be able to bypass your screen time lock, remove Apple ID, unlock your iPad or your iPhone, remove MDM restrictions, and there is a Windows version available too. So there is literally no reason to not go for this software. You can go here, switch to Windows, and you will see the pricing remains the same. There is no difference. Like for example, some people think that if you have Windows they will charge more, or if you have Mac they will charge more, but for Mac and for Windows the pricing remains the same. That is a even better deal. And as you can see here, in Christmas you can see there are even more deals coming up on their website. So the website link is in the description. You can just stay tuned to their website for more deals related to the software in future. But for now, you can also get 30% off using my code THYPED. Thank you so much TunesKit iPhone Unlocker for Windows and for Mac. You can download it, link is in the description, for sponsoring this video, and I will catch you guys in the very next episode. Peace out and have a great day everyone.